Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Brennan here. If you haven't already followed, maybe after this video you will more likely give me a follow. So basically what I did was turned my truck into a camper slash work vehicle. Let's say it's a built Ford Tough bed frame futon mattress that I built for the back of my truck. Let me give you guys a walkthrough and show you what I got going on here. So here we are. It's a 2017 Ford F-150 Sport with the 5-liter Coyote. So let me give you guys a show here. The Ford built Ford Tough custom bed frame storage underneath. So you're looking at about 50 inches across, which I've made it at roughly about 48 inches, and then 78 inches length because I have a 6.5 foot box. But here we are. I have it sitting up roughly about 12 inches on either side. Lots of clearance underneath, as you can see. Built Ford Tough. And it's in line with the pillow top right here. Everything is completely flush all the way along, and lots of storage for underneath. And that's it. Let's get up here and show you guys what I got. So we can take a step up here and I'll show you guys what I have. So step right in, as they say. I'm gonna get up in, show you guys how much headroom I have. Here we are, guys. If I were to do this all over again, I would probably get the Lear 180. I really do like the cap that I have right now, the R cap, but I just wish I would have went with the Rise. But that being said, roughly the futon mattress I have, I believe, is say 4 inches, maybe, like, if not even that high. I can measure it out to be precise. But coming back in here, still have quite a bit of headroom. Like, got a lot of good headroom. I have a lot of good room, a lot of great space in here. Let me flip this camera around here. As you can see, I have a lot of great space, head space, and all the way around. It's looking pretty good. So it's all flush here. I made it all a little bit flush. I have tons of storage all along the sides here. So I have storage on the sides here as well as storage for on the sides here as well, for storing anything that I need to. So that's it. Until next time, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. May as well subscribe, because I'm going to be doing some serious, really cool camping adventures, crown land camping, etc. No need for a tent anymore. I can roll up pretty well anywhere, at any place, anytime, and take a nap pretty well anywhere, I suppose. But the cool thing I like about this is that I built it, and I've also have it carpeted underneath. So it's fully carpeted underneath. I got my 3/4 inch plywood fur, and yeah, I couldn't be any more happier with this build. And I'm gonna potentially get a bug net, so I'll have my bug net, and when I'm sleeping here, I can have that just folded down. But what I'll do is I'll have that up with, which I've made enough for it to close properly as well. Perfect close. Can't get any more happier than that. And as I was mentioning, from at the top of the lip of my tailgate right there, where I close the lid, I will have like a bug net running down, so then I can have that all opened up while I enjoy my evening or daytime camping. So that's it, folks. Hey everybody, Brennan here. Just almost completed the bed build. Let me give you guys a little walkthrough and show what I've completed here. Let me show you guys what I've completed here. going to have storage for underneath. I got my sheets of plywood already ready to go. I'm gonna give this a paint job, and that's it. Let me know what you guys think. So there's the frame. Just gotta give it a paint job, lay the sheets of plywood down, and we're golden like the Golden Girls. Let's go. Woo! Almost time to go back country camping. Oh, just waiting for the paint to dry. Got everything fully painted.
They even perform full hip and knee replacements. Your surgery will be scheduled ASAP, and you may not need to travel. If you're tired of waiting,
Here we are.
orthopedic surgery, don't. Call Acumen Health today for your consultation.
They look pretty badass. Let's just turn these lights on.
You roll with Casino? We're the exclusive home of Poppin' Alberta, along with all your favorite casino classics and more.
I think that's gonna look pretty nice, I must say. And then add that extra light as well.
Download FanDuel.
So we're gonna have this bed frame, which is going to go right nicely into the back of here. And it's gonna be movie and popcorn night real soon. There we go. Fully completed, custom built
But yes, here comes the rain again.
for the bed of my box.
50% chance of showers.
Fully custom built bed frame, which is gonna go in the back of this right here. Custom built, one of a kind. I don't know there's too many out there like it, but maybe there is. We'll get some drawers underneath. Should be good to go. Okay, as you can see, I got the bed build in there. Just waiting for it to dry just a little bit more. And then I'm going to lay the sheets of plywood down. And then the carpet, then the futon mattress. And it's time to have some popcorn and a movie. So there you have it, folks. The custom bed build is almost done. I just have to screw everything down, fasten everything down, have storage underneath. Beautiful. Have beautiful storage underneath. Beautiful. Wicked. It's almost time to throw the futon mattress on and go camping. Finally, after all that long hard work, got the bed build frame done. Now it's just time to throw the futon mattress in. All right, look at that. Beautiful platform, nicely carpeted. Storage underneath. Let's throw that futon mattress in there. Just finished the complete bed build. Let me give you guys a walk through and show you what I just got done here. So, as you can see, fully custom bed frame that I built to size to the truck. Obviously, I'm gonna put some drawers underneath for some storage, and gotta put a bed sheet on to make it look a little fancier, but whatever. But yeah, this is it. Fully built custom bed build. Let's get up in there and see how it is. I built it a little bit higher, but that's okay with me. This futon mattress is like double thick, so I'm gonna get one heck of a great sleep. And that's just at that point, but even just going like this, I still have quite a bit of room here. And let's try to get ourselves tucked in here. And obviously if I were to have a pillow, and if I were to lay down, Like, I have tons of room in here. Like, this is great. This is where it's at, you know? You got like room along the side here for putting some stuff along here. Like, you know, you got lots of space in between here for putting things. And I have plenty of room at the end to wiggle my toes. Plus, not to mention, what do we got here? Let's see. This is with the tailgate gonna be closed. All right, so we are completely locked and loaded. I love these little marker lights that I have here on the side. Super cool. I have the light also above. Like I was mentioning, I do have quite a significant amount of room once I put some, like a body pillow here. However, like I made it completely to size where it's flush with my pillow top here, with my with my cap, so it's completely flush. And honestly, I am very happy with how this turned out. And as you can see, there is plenty of room on either side. This is wicked. This is totally cool. I'm really happy that I did this. Even so, you can kick back, put a little screen there, and have the window open. And yeah, this is great.